Hi, my name is Dean, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, in this clip we're going to raise the vehicle up so that we can get underneath it. Now we're going to set the jack stands in place. Now you'll want to choose an area of the frame to set it on. Now we'll let the jack down on the jack stands. This will secure the car while you climb underneath it. As you can see, I chose to put my jack stands right in the center line of the front wheels. This is the strongest part of the frame. It's meant to carry the weight of the vehicle. If I bring the jack stands forward, this also allows the car to come down and gives me less room to work. If you go further back, then you tend to raise the back of the car and it's not as stable. So your best bet is to try and get it in proximity to the wheels.